everybody, welcome back to the next part of our dishcloth knit along for this week. We'll be working rows 31 through 40. As always, we're going to start by knitting the first 2 stitches. Those are our edge stitches that we're knitting on every single row. And now we're going to begin our pattern, and this is the repeat for the row. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 4 times. So you knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit, purl. And now we're going to knit 2. And that ends the repeat. Start again with purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 4 times, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit, purl, and then knit 2. Last repeat of the row, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, and 4th time, and then knit 2, and then knit your 2 edge stitches. And we repeat that again for row 32. Knit your 2 edge stitches, and then begin your pattern repeat for the row. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, 4th, and then knit 2. That ends your repeat, so you'll start again. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 4 times, here's my 4th, and then knit 2, and that completes the second repeat. We'll start our final repeat. Purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 4 times, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit, purl. Knit 2, that completes the repeat, and then you knit your 2 edge stitches. Rows 33 and 34, we're going to be repeating rows 11 and 12. So we're going to knit our 2 edge stitches, of course, and our repeat is purl 1, knit 1 all the way across the row. So purl, knit, until you get to your last 2 stitches of the row. And of course, when you get to your last 2 stitches, those are your edge stitches, so you're just going to knit them. And then we're going to turn our work, and we'll repeat that again. There's our 2 edge stitches that we just knit. And then we're going to repeat across the row, purl 1, knit 1. And then when you get to your last 2 stitches, of course, you just knit them. Those are your edge stitches that you knit at the end of every row. Rows 35 and 36, we're going to be repeating rows 13 and 14. Knit your first 2 stitches and then begin the pattern repeat. And this time we're going to knit 1, purl 1 all the way across the row. So knit and purl and knit and purl until you get to your last 2 stitches. And then of course you knit the last 2, which are your edge stitches. We're going to turn the work and do the same thing for our next row. We have our 2 stitches at the beginning for our edge, and then you knit 1, purl 1, until you get to the last 2 stitches of the row. And then of course, the last two are your edge stitches, so you'll just knit them. Rows 37 and 38. Okay, knit your two edge stitches as always. And then we're going to begin the pattern repeat. It's knit 2, and then purl 1, knit 1 4 times. So you've purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit. And then you're going to purl 2, and that will complete the first repeat. So we'll start again, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1 4 times. Just once, twice, 3 times, and the 4th time, and purl 2. Second repeat is done. We'll start over for the last repeat of our row. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 1 4 times. Once, twice, 3 times, and the 4th time. Purl 2, and then knit your 2 edge stitches at the end of the row. We're going to repeat that one more time for row 38. Knit 2, and then begin the repeat. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 1 4 times, and purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit. Then you'll purl 2 to complete the first repeat, and we'll start again. Knit 2, purl 1, knit 1 4 times. Once, twice, 3rd time, and 4th time, and then purl 2. And begin again for the last repeat of the row. Knit 2, and purl 1, knit 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then purl 2, and knit your 2 edge stitches. Okay, rows 39 and 40. Knit 2, and then begin the pattern repeat. It's knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times. So purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit. And then you'll purl 3, and that ends the repeat, so we'll start again. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times. So So purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit, purl 3, and that completes our second repeat. I'm going to work that one more time. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3, and then purl 3. And then finally, our 2 edge stitches are just knit. And we'll do that one more time. Knit 2 for the edge, and then begin the pattern repeat. It's knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3, and then purl 3, and begin the repeat. Again, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and then purl 3. And that will finish up our second repeat. We'll work the last repeat of the row. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and then purl 3 to finish our last repeat, and then knit the 2 edge stitches. So that is what we have up through row 40. We are almost done with our pattern. So come back next week and we will do the next part.